Pixel 8 Pro is finally out with the first unboxing video, and it confirms a couple of things on Pixel 8 Pro. You guys might be shocked to see some of the changes are left unchanged on Pixel 8 Pro. This is the new unboxing video of Pixel 8 Pro, a YouTube short uploaded by PBK Reviews showing off the new Pixel 8 Pro. The most noticeable thing you can see is the matte finish on Pixel 8 Pro and a new temperature sensor. The box looks similar and same USB Type-C included in the box, but he cleared things up about the camera sensor on Pixel 8 Pro. And are we going to get an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in the Pixel 8 Pro? Well, there's bad news for you, as Google is going with the same optical fingerprint scanner in the Pixel 8 Pro, same as last year Pixel 7 Pro. He shared some exclusive information about the cameras of Pixel 8 Pro, but before that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. For cameras, let me share some inside information. According to him, while checking with app, it says ISO GN1 sensor, which was used in Pixel 7 Pro. But the interesting part is, he's not even sure about it, which means there is something cooking inside the Pixel 8 Pro, and he claims this about Pixel 8, not Pixel 8 Pro. So we can say Pixel 8 Pro might feature ISO GN2 sensor, and there is a reason. The low light performance of GN2 is 35% better than the GN1, and Google is putting all the low light features in the Pixel 8 Pro, including the new video boost feature, a new night side video feature which is made for low light videos. So the camera combo for the Pixel 8 Pro will be 50 megapixel main shooter with the ISO GN2 sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra wide with autofocus, a biggest update over last year 12 megapixel, and a 48 megapixel telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. The teaser of Pixel 8 Pro is already out, and it confirms the new features of Pixel 8 Pro, including how you can transfer your data to Pixel 8 Pro and the best take feature where now you can swap faces on already taken picture, magic eraser, and many more AI features which was first introduced on Pixel 7 Pro will going to feature on Pixel 8 Pro. For those who are concerned about the price of Pixel 8 Pro, then it is already confirmed. Pixel 8 base model will going to cost you $699, which is $100 more than the previous generation, and 8 Pro will going to cost us $899, same as last year. But European region will going to see a price hike, where Pixel 8 will going to cost you €799 compared to $649, and 8 Pro will going to cost us €1,099 compared to €899, so a €200 price hike on Pixel 8 Pro. Although Google is going to offer some great pre-order deals with the 8 Pro, if you pre-order Pixel 8 Pro, you're going to get a Pixel Watch for free. Google is set to launch Pixel 8 Pro on October 4th, 10 AM Eastern Time, and the pre-orders will start the next day. If you guys want to see the detailed official trailer of 8 Pro, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.